wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best enamel toothpastes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Using Colgate replenish and polish each day should enhance the strength of your pearly whites and resolve lingering sensitivity issues. Because of the latter property in its name, germs are less likely to stick to them too, which can aid in preventing the buildup of plaque. It leaves teeth feeling smooth and the flat cap allows for upright storage, but be aware that it contains sodium lauryl sulfate. At number 9, Squigle Enamel Saver doesn't contain any artificial sweeteners or other unnecessary ingredients, so you know exactly what you're putting in your mouth. Made with xylitol, it can slow the growth of S-mutans on the tooth surface, which is a common cause of decay. It contains no preservatives and may inhibit canker sore formation, but it doesn't lessen sensitivity. Coming in at number 8 in our list, designed to fight cavities, bacteria and sensitivity, Premier Enamelon is a good choice for anyone looking for a no-frills option. For peace of mind, it doesn't contain any dyes, gluten or sodium lauryl sulfate. It enhances fluoride uptake and stimulates saliva production. However, some find the taste unpleasant. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Enamel Toothpastes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, Colgate Pro Relief harnesses the power of fluoride to protect and strengthen your teeth. Brushing twice a day should enable you to eat and drink without experiencing sensitivity to hot or cold temperatures. It includes potassium nitrate that soothes nerves and produces results quickly. It has a mild minty flavor. Moving up our list to number 6. For those who need serious help, Sensodyne Pronamel Intensive Repair may be the best option. It's supposed to penetrate deeply into the surface of teeth to remedy micro damage, as well as strengthen and re-harden the protective outer layer. It can be used up to 3 times daily and comes with a 45-day money-back guarantee. However, it won't restore whiteness. Halfway up our list at number 5. If sustainability is important to you, then try Tom's of Maine Natural. It's made using ethically sourced ingredients, and a portion of profits goes to charities. In addition to promoting oral health, it's also good for the planet. It contains no animal byproducts, and even the package is made from recycled materials. It's American Dental Association approved. At number 4, Crest Gum and Enamel Repair is a good choice for maintaining the health of your mouth, as it's formulated to dislodge plaque and remineralize the outer layer of your teeth. This fluoride-based option can also help remove surface stains. It kills bacteria at the gum line and may reverse gingivitis. It contains a very mild abrasive. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Using beneficial ingredients like tea tree oil and olive leaf extract, Kiss My Face Enamel Xtra fights gum disease, decay, inflammation, and the buildup of harmful oral bacteria. It produces a pleasant cooling effect as it freshens your breath. It hinders plaque formation and is made with naturally derived flavors in the United States. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Enamel Toothpastes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you want a bright smile but don't like the discomfort that comes along with bleaching, take a look at Sensodyne Pronamel Gentle Whitening. It's specially designed for hypersensitive mouths and can help prevent pain caused by very cold or hot foods. It's recommended by dentists and delivers necessary minerals. It aids in preventing future stains. And taking the top spot on our list, if you've been on the lookout for something a bit more interesting than the standard mint, you'll appreciate Jason Nutrismile Anti-Cavity. It blends cinnamon and orange with a traditional flavor for a little variety, while still freshening breath effectively. It's high in vitamin C and contains no saccharin or sweeteners. It's not tested on animals either. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Enamel Toothpastes, or simply click beneath this video.